Hey garden friends, happy Wednesday. So it's been about a week or so since my last video, so it feels like it's been forever. But I'm glad and grateful to be out here in my garden and creating something and having fun with my succulents here. And I have here a little rectangle like planter. It's like a little trough, a hypertufa one, and it's looking good. But as you notice, it has no drainage hole, so I'll be careful with my watering. I'll always check with my moisture meter before I water this one because it has no drainage hole. You know, it'll take longer to dry out, so I'll be careful with that. And as you can see, I have cute little plants here. And okay, so I'll work my way from this little corner here. This is my Echeveria cubic frost. Check it out. So it's super pink right now, kind of frosty. It has a farina on it, and check out that shape. I just love it. I love the pink. The leaves are like upside down, aren't they? They look like kind of spooned. Anyways, Sempervivum Cobweb, and it's got their 1, 2, 3, 4 little pups. You can see why they call it cobweb. It's got like this woolly fiber right on top of them. Even the babies. Isn't that cute? Sempervivum Cobwebs. I have Adromischus. Oh, so hard for me to pronounce. I know it as Key Lime Pie. You see that new growth in the center there? So cute. Oh, look at the tips. They're scalloped. They look like little clams, don't they? I just love them. Ooh, this one is, new to me. Echeveria Blue Cloud. I don't know much about the succulent, but check that out. Look at that rosette. It's perfect. And that blue in the center, that new growth. It's like the lightest blue. Beautiful. This is Echeveria opalina. I love this one. It's nice and chubby. Kind of white with pink. Oh, I just love it. I love the way they grow. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. Okay. And this one here, this is a crassula, and this cluster kind of fell apart here. I know it as kebab bush. So beautiful. Still very small, but already nice and stacked. Already growing long. And I'll be very careful with that. Ooh, Echeveria fanfare. Look at that blue. And it's so round, the rosette's just round. And it does fan out, doesn't it? Ooh, Echeveria fanfare. Oh, kind of lost its focus there. And last one, but not least, Echeveria minima. Isn't that the cutest? Oh, look at that. It's just perfect, isn't it? And I love how tight the little rosettes are. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of set these to the side here and fill my planter succulent soil all the way to the top, and I hope I have enough soil. I didn't make extra here, so I better have enough soil. Okay, I think I will. Perfect. And I'll start with my biggest one and put it in this corner over here. And let's see, I'll do the Sempervivum Cobweb right in this corner. Nice. Okay, that's coming out nice. And Echeveria, I'll put it towards the back. The opalina. Ooh, so beautiful. Let's see, I'll do cubic frost right here. And I'll be very careful with this one. This one is super fragile, by the way. Oh, yeah. those leaves just pop right off. Alright, and I'll do the key lime pie right over here. Cute. Maybe towards the edge here. Yeah. Towards the front. Perfect. Alright. Oh, so far so good. I like how the colors are kind of balancing off, like the blue and the green, the pink, and then the green again. Alright, and I'll do the Echeveria right over here in this corner, since it's pretty big there. Alright, and so the kebabs I'll put in this corner here, since it's a cluster. And I'll try to group them all together. Kind of hold on from the top here and tuck them in gently, like towards the edge there. And kind of shuffle some soil. This one doesn't want to work with me. Kind of push it in there. Okay. Alright. There's just, you know, I don't want to make too much of a deal. Mess with these. They're very fragile as well, and don't want to lose any leaves there. But I think I've done a good job so far. And now for the minima right here. Tuck it in. Oh, that looks nice. And I'll kind of adjust that cubic frost right here. Perfect. Oh, that looks so pretty. Yeah. Turned out nice. And now, for my stones here, first I'll kind of tuck in everything. Okay, looking good. And I will just push a little bit of that soil off the brim all around. Alright. We'll start in the back here. Press them down. In between the little babies here. Alright. There we go. Perfect. And even in this little spot, right in here. Under this little kebab. And that's the last little spot there. I think it turned out so cute. Oh my goodness. Maybe a little, oops, a little too rough there. I think I broke a leaf. Sorry. Being a little too rough. All right. Oh, yeah. So cute. Such a beautiful Wednesday. Glad to be out in the garden. I think it's Earth Day. I believe so. Happy Earth Day, nature lovers. Oh, it's perfect. And I'll show you. I'll get a little closer. Oof. That is so pretty. Check out that cubic frost. Oh, goodness. And that minima. Ooh, I should dust that one off. But look how cute that tight little cluster there. And opalina, it'll grow nice and big one day. That Echeveria. Little neighbors here. Look how cute these are. Oh, I love it. Turned out so cute. Gonna have fun watching it grow. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it encouraged you to go outside or maybe start collecting some succulents. And by the way, all of these succulents are available at succulentcrafts.com. Alright, bye garden friends. Until next time.